Hello dear Cardian, this is Sunny and I'm in the factory. This is our single head 15 needles machine. Now we put a t-shirt frame on the machine and later I will make the machine, do lighter embroidery and send you videos. 15 needles and Dahao A15 Plus computer. And now we already make the machine connect Wi-Fi. I will use lighter embroidery function to import your name and embroider. Choose a font. Choose the font we want and generate stitches. Save the design. And then here we have a ready design. Later we will embroider it. Then it's about machine operation. Confirm the design. And then select a color according to the color we put on the machine. For example, I want it to be this color, so here I select 7 and select a frame, biggest frame. After select a frame, the machine will find the center automatically, and then we move the design to the position we want. We have a red laser light to help you locate the position. After all these settings, we can press start button and make the machine working.